Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Revolve. The brand Revolve is, as far as I can tell, is an Indian brand, but on this particular box it says made in Saudi Arabia. So are they from Saudi Arabia? Are they from United Arab Emirates? Because I unboxed one from them before and it says on the box United Arab Emirates. So a bit confusing, but the brand is Revolve, and this one in particular is called Explore. Eau de Parfum 100 ml. This is targeted unisex, and the box is like a work of art. It's very artistic. It's all over it. It's just painting everywhere. Very good looking box, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you help me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. The usual stuff: subscribe, like, comment, share this video with others. All these things will help. Thank you. Okay, so let's see. Sorry about the noise. As I said, very artistic, very good looking box. The only thing is I unboxed and reviewed two of their fragrances before, and they smell good, especially for a price, but they are a medium performer, so they never had a very strong one so far. This one is, you can find it in United Kingdom under £30 for 100 ml of the Parfum. In other places you need to do your research and see if it's available, and if it is, how much. Alright, let's go. Wow, good looking box and good looking bottle. Look at this, very heavy bottle. This is like a crystal on top. Overall very good looking, especially again for the price. They look very good. Okay, so this is the bottle. The cap is quite weight to it, as I said, like some sort of crystal, maybe plastic. And the atomizer is modern. Explore Revolve 100 ml of the Parfum, and here we go. Not bad, it's okay. The spray shoots straight. It doesn't do mist, but it's okay, it's not bad. So this one, I couldn't find any literature about it, so I have no idea what's going on, anything, not even a peep. I did my research and I couldn't find anything about it, so I'm going just by this nose and experience, and here we go. First impression. Again, it smells good. The other ones I unboxed and reviewed from this brand, they smell good. The quality is quite good. For the price especially, they are very good. The only thing is, as I said, is the longevity, which is around medium. The other ones were around 5 to 6 hours. So let's see how is this one. By the way, what a beauty. Boozy, sweet, spicy, floral, little bit of leathery base into it at the moment. But the biggest thing, if it hits me first, is the booziness. So it's quite boozy in the base, especially for right now. First impression, very boozy. That sweetness is come from the combination of vanilla. Vanilla is done very well here. It's quite rounded, it's quite smooth. And also I can smell some fruity aspect, but the fruits are not fresh fruits here. They are quite on the dry fruits. So let me see what I can get. What a beauty. So again, dry fruit, I can't pinpoint it exactly, but I can smell something like tropical, but in the same time it's dried. So I can smell something like maybe mango, something like pear, something like, what else? Very very nice. Yeah, so it's quite fruity at the moment, and it's the booze, fruit and sweetness. These three are the first thing hits me. There's a spicy aspect to it. The spice is like cinnamon. Yeah, it's a cinnamon, but it's not just cinnamon. There's other aspect. Maybe there's a little bit of herbal aspect to it. It just smells a little bit more just than cinnamon. Yeah, there's a herbal tinge to it as well. Overall, it's quite nice. It's very well done. It's very rounded. It's very smooth at the moment, especially for the opening. You know, for under £30, that is very, very good. And the smell is very, very good. And it is unisex to my nose. It's bang in the middle. Men and women can wear it easily. Yeah, this bit of leafy feel to it as well. As I said, this bit of suede like more than leather. So it's like suede, and it's a very soft leather here. But it's very palatable. It's very quite universal. Not many people will dislike this kind of fragrances. It doesn't remind me of anything in particular right now, but it might be that later on I maybe remember something. But right now it doesn't seem that is a copy of something particular, but it's done very well. So that boozy, if you like boozy, sweet, spicy, floral. Oh, what kind of floral? Definitely aromatic, so I'm expecting it to be something like violet or lavender, so probably either one of them or a combination of them. So it's very, very aromatic. I can smell some white floral, maybe it's a jasmine in here as well. Again, it's making it very sweet, sorry, very, very smooth. In the base I can feel some woodiness, and the wood probably is either cedar or sandalwood or combination of those two, because again, very, very smooth. It's almost buttery smooth. It's very, very well done. Yeah, this one definitely 25 and up to be in the safe side, because it got a little bit of mature feel to it, and also it's a little bit on the classical side, and also bang in the middle, unisex, man and woman can wear it. In terms of season, it's better suited for cooler weather because of that boozy, sweet, spicy feel to it. But it's got freshness to it. You can use it all year round, but you have to control the trigger. Less in heat, more in cooler weather. And in terms of occasion, definitely this is quite opulent. So if we're going out, special occasion, evening, formal and things like that. But you pay for it, you decide where and when to wear it anyway. Overall, very, very good, especially for the price under £30. This is very well done. The quality is quite good. The only thing we have to wait and see is the performance, because the last ones, similar genre here, very good perfumery, very good smell, everything was good. The only thing is they lacked punch, they lacked performance around 5 to 6 hours. So let's see with this one. If it's last any longer than that, then we have a good banger on our hand. Overall, very, very good for first impression. Yes, yes, yes. Let's wait and see for the update. In the next video, I'll let you know the performance, development, things like that. But for now, yes, I'm liking it. It's very, very good, especially for the price. Okay, guys, thank you very much. As always, if you know it, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. Don't forget to hit those buttons to support me, to motivate me to make videos like this in future. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, 100% natural, amazing value for money, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in there as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.